We're attacking the couch.
There he goes.
The last day. Hi friends, today is actually the day before we get the van to move. Right now I'm pretty much going to montage a lot of stuff because it is 8 p.m. I have a lot to do, a lot to pack. So we are packing pretty much everything we have left except really the bed as much as we can. Tomorrow we get the van later in the afternoon. Take you along what we have to wrap up. So let's cue the montage. Let's do the couch first. We're attacking the couch. Attacking the couch. We're attacking the couch. I'm so tired. Wait, let me show you. Like, this is what's going on right now. We're sleeping in the bed tonight still, and tomorrow night, maybe tomorrow night actually, but gathering a bunch of stuff. We have all these boxes here. We've taken out this, which is like our little key holder, everything from the walls. We just took off the mount TV, and we have these bins to add some extra clothes, shoe rack. This is our little upsy couch that we really need to clean and pack, but got a little used suit pack, not a I don't know, I'm so tired. A tackle. We have these suitcases full of our clothes. This is Caesar's clothes and my clothes, and a lot of stuff we still have to donate and stuff, but yeah, we need to pack the kitchen still. I'll definitely show you like the place before like we leave because I never really got to do like a full studio apartment tour, but there was just, I didn't prioritize it, so I'm just going to show you like an empty apartment studio tour once we get everything out, and then, you know, I'll show you the new apartment and everything. But yeah, let's pack this couch. Gotta clean this first. Took a shower break. It is 11 p.m. Let's pack the kitchen. I am full of allergies. It's also 96 degrees. But today's the day we're loading the van, and then we also actually had to get a little storage unit for us to fit more things. But this is the crazy situation that's happening right now in the kitchen, but everything is pretty much emptied out for the most part. I just have little things over there, but it's starting to look empty. Oh, is he calling me now? I'm so over it. I keep complaining to Hershey that I don't enjoy this at all, but it's starting to look empty. This is all pretty much donation, except this is Hershey's backpack. That's their cycle. Her mattress is here. Curtains. Getting a little deja vu for when we first moved in, and I have this like vlog when I used to have a different channel. And I posted a move-in vlog and all this stuff. It's starting to look like that. I can't believe we made it all fit in this little space. But we're gonna empty out, I think, a little bit more, but I think we're gonna keep the bed. A lot of it is like donation and stuff. It feels empty in here. Just gotta clean a little bit. This is stuff we're keeping for tonight. I need to finish the bathroom though, so BRB. Hi friends, today is August 31st. It is officially the last day in this apartment. Like, we are not sleeping here today. We are out of here. We're supposed to be out in a couple hours. I think we have 2 or 3 hours left before we have to completely like get everything out. So we have very little things. Throughout this process, I honestly just like realized that I do not like moving at all. I don't like it. I don't enjoy it. I don't want it. I don't want to do it for a very long time. So this is what it's looking like. We do have the mattress because we slept here last night. So we have this we're gonna put in the van, the U-Haul van. And then these other things we're gonna put in Caesar's car. And that's pretty much it. So let's do it. I am so excited to show you the new space. I'm so excited to take you along. I'm so grateful that you're watching this. Yeah, let's completely empty out this apartment now.
Oh,
Oh, that's what I was asking.
we can't take it at the same time.
your comfort level.
Yeah.
You can even grab from the bottom, from the bottom.
Easier.
Just watch out for the fan. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, and if you need a break, don't bend your back. Stand up.
Stand
up.
Stand up.
Cause you're gonna have up your back like that.
This is easier.
Have it lean on you and lean on it.
Okay. It is officially empty. We're done. This is it. We have nothing else. Let me do a little mini like apartment tour. Quick little empty apartment studio tour in the Bay Area. This is bigger than your average studio, but this is where I have filmed and have been doing all the content and stuff for the last 3.5 years, I think it's been now. So yeah, this was me and Caesar's first apartment together that we lived in. So this is definitely going in the memories, but I just wanted to show you the space. Might be a little dirty, but let's do a quick little tour. So when you enter, this is the door, and then onto your right was the kitchen. So these were all the cabinets, and the hardwood floor was in the kitchen, but the rest was all carpet. This was the fridge, and lots of cabinet space that we had like around at the top. Very high though, I couldn't really reach it. This was the stove. This was the original what is it called, counter color that it came with, and me, Caesar, and a friend actually covered the whole thing. This material that looked so much better. I really loved the marble. I will link it down below if I can find it on Amazon. But that's the dishwasher, some more cabinets, and then this was the counter, and over there was the view. So this is basically the space overall. We did have a curtain divider that helped us divide the room. So as you leave the kitchen to your right, you have the whole entire studio space. So this was our view. Honestly, my favorite thing about this entire apartment was the view. That was just like the best because you can actually see the sunset outside, and it was really nice when it was like different colors and stuff. But this wall on the right was actually green, as you can tell. Is very green, and then the rest was white. And then we had a little fan. Sorry about the focus, it's not focusing. Yeah, so we had a fan, green wall. This was all of that. Heater, we mounted the TV over there, had my desk over there, and all of this space. And then as you go over here to the right, we actually had a walk-in closet, which was pretty helpful for having extra space. So as you can tell, it was really spacious. And Caesar had like the right side, I had more of the left side. And yeah, I had my little Amazon dresser here, but pretty spacious. And then aside from that walk-in, we did have a little closet, which helped us. Then we divided this between our clothing. So just a little closet with space up there. And then you walk and it's the bathroom. So this is just the bathroom. This is what it looks like. We never needed curtains because it had this, and this was the bathroom overall. This is where I would film, and I would put you guys here, like when I would film for vlogs and stuff, when I would do get readies or whatever, and do my makeup in the bathroom. I would put my camera right here, and just all the space. I do like this mirror a lot because of the little like hidden space, and then just had the same. And yeah, we had storage down here. We did have a little bathroom closet linen, I don't know what it's called, but we had this, and that's pretty much it. That was the bathroom, and that is a little tour of the place that we've been living in for 3.5 years. So I hope you enjoy this. Which one is it? Oh, finally. We've been trying to get this parking spot to be closer to move our stuff. They've been parked there for like the last 2 days. Oh, I have the mail key. Okay.
There's nothing in there, right?
No. We might get stuff, but mail key. And then our apartment key.
This one is the access to the pool.
Oh yeah. This is the apartment key. My apartment key. That's it. That's all I have.
What do you got?
You have the side door.
Yeah, I can open it.
That's it. These are my parents' keys. And my car keys.
My house key. If you want to make a copy. This is it.
We won't be here.
We won't be here if you're planning on barging in here. You're welcome. Never mind, I can say that.
I also showed them the view because, you
This is
know.
our key, by the way. This is our lock.
Oh yeah. These are our garage,
Carport.
carport, apartment keys, our mail keys, our pool keys, and what is this one? The side door?
I honestly don't know.
I don't know, but they're all there.
The side door, you know, I treated this place like royalty.
Side door. I'm just putting them side by side. I want to say thank you to this apartment. We had a lot of milestones and we grew together.
I'm definitely grateful for this apartment. This is the first apartment I got. We got a loan. So it was a sense of independence, growth relationally. We made it 2020 in this small environment. But I do want to record one thing.
Okay.
Our last kiss.
Here goes the van. We're taking it to my parents. You can't? Oh, you can. Okay. This is the U-Haul van we rented. We're taking it to my parents and then we're gonna load our stuff on Saturday. Today is, what's today? Today's Thursday. We're loading our stuff on the Saturday. We get the new apartment keys tomorrow. There he goes. Okay, be back. Came back in here to put this back. And that is it, you guys. Here's to a new adventure and goodbye to our first ever apartment.